Okay, so the border of China is right up here. I'm trying to find it. There's Chinese tourists over there on the other side. They see me. Hello! Waving back. That's China right there. Wow, this is like the pinnacle of my trip. This is why I came here. Can't even describe how it looks and feels out here. This ride has been really testing in a lot of ways. In this video, I visit the nearby Ban Gioc Waterfalls, the pinnacle of my trip. It's one of the largest waterfalls in Asia. One side is Vietnam and the other is China. After this, I searched for the Chinese border station hidden into the mountainside. I then backtrack Highway DT-206 to Cao Bang. There's like nobody awake right now except for the roosters and the pigs. Just amazing here. There's no other place in the world that looks like this. And riding it on a motorcycle by myself, no tour guide, no group that I'm going with in rainy season. It's really difficult, and it's had some moments where I kind of doubted myself a little bit. Sometimes I have these thoughts creep into my mind when I'm on some rural road about, oh, what if this happens or if that happens, but you can't think like that. If you keep thinking like that, you're not going to pay attention to the road, and then that's when bad things happen. But yeah, this ride has been really testing in a lot of ways. There's the coffee. I love these misty mornings. Riding in rainy season has its downsides, but these epic scenes almost make up for it. Watch out, little guy. Oh, man. Gioc Waterfalls. Tickets? I was told by my homestay that I can buy a ticket for the waterfalls at this hotel.
Ở đây. Đây.
Red sign? Red sign?
Okay.
Okay, come on. Here? Ciao. I get one ticket. Come on. And where do I go? I can ride? Okay. Where? It's an extra 10,000 to park and then 40,000 to get in to the actual park. Still feel weird like carrying this camera everywhere. It's interesting, the more you do it, the more you kind of get used to it. Wow, I can hear the waterfall from here. Wow. Oh my god, man. Look at all these butterflies too. Wow, this is amazing. So that right side over there is officially China. The right side of this waterfall is China. I'm on Vietnam side, but literally right over here, there's giant mountains right here. I don't know if the camera can really pick it up. But yeah, that's China right there. Wow, this is like the pinnacle of my trip. This is why I came here. I almost went to Ha Long Bay instead because of the rain. I'm sitting here on this bench right in front of the waterfall. And I just sat here and I meditated for a little bit. And I think so many people these days, they go to these places like this or wherever, and they only really go there for social media. They only want to take photos, and they're only thinking about what is this going to look like for Instagram. And before they actually see the site or the waterfall or the statue with their own eyes, they're only thinking about, they're seeing it through the eyes of what their friends and people online are going to think about it. So they're not actually, that's all they really care about. They don't care about what this waterfall represents. I mean, I'm on the border of China and Vietnam, the other side of this waterfall here. That's China. So there's all these like geopolitical and really deeper meanings. This isn't just a waterfall. I mean, this is day 4 riding my Honda CB500X through the mountains of northern Vietnam in very remote stretches. This isn't like Ha Giang. This is the Cao Bang Loop. So this is like a rite of passage in a lot of ways. I mean, this isn't just a normal ride. I'm riding this by myself, no tour guide. It's rainy season. I speak maybe 5 words of Vietnamese, and I almost didn't come here after the first day because of the weather. I almost went to Ha Long Bay instead. I felt like I had to come here. I had to do this trip. And I just sat here and meditated on that. And I realized that, you know, this is something that I'm going to remember for the rest of my life. And I beat all the crowds. There's like nobody here. And, I mean, think about this, like how remote I am, and what an amazing waterfall, and yet there's nobody here. I almost don't want to leave here though, but I need to beat the weather. I need to beat the storms that are coming. Man, there is so much wind, so much mist. Man, I gotta get out of here. And I'm so wet. It's almost like I rode through a rainstorm, but it was just just the mist. My GoPro is all wet. I'm glad I wore my rain outfit. Oh my God. This is one of the most amazing places I've ever been. I've been to many national parks and ridden motorcycles through many mountain ranges, but this one, just the significance of, you know, that side, literally those mountains there, that's China. There's Chinese tourists over there on the other side. I wonder if I can wave to them. They see me. Hello. They see me. Hello. They're waving back. So that's crazy. That's officially China over there. They just, you know, what is that, 100 meters? It's so crazy. There's a certain energy about this place too. I found that various natural attractions like this, like the really big ones, they're more than just like what they appear to be. They carry a certain energy. That's why I meditated down on that bench and just kind of felt it, you know. It's a very, very special place. Come on. Bye bye.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good, you?
Good. You were staying at the same place, right? The homestay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are you guys riding today?
Sorry?
Where are you riding today?
Back to Cao Bang.
That's where I'm going also.
Yeah?
I was there 2 nights ago and then I rode here.
Yeah, nice.
I'm going back, yeah. Yeah. Did you go down yet? You already went down?
No, because we didn't know where to get a ticket. Didn't want to go get a ticket, so we just came back up.
Oh, it's so much better down there.
Really?
You don't even need the boat ride. You can walk right up to. See, that's the main waterfall on the right, and that's the Chinese side, right? So you can actually see these Chinese tourists walking along that path, and I waved to them and they waved back. But you can walk to the secondary waterfall here. You can walk right down to it, like right on the shore. But all the mist, it felt like I was riding through the rain. I was so wet.
Really?
I had all my, all this on. It was just soaked. It was absolutely soaked.
We're gonna go try and get to China in an hour or two.
How's the visa work?
Huh?
How does the visa work with that?
Apparently we can both get in.
China has a trial period.
I think it's this one.
Yes, let's go to China.
Fuck yeah.
Okay, so the border of China is right up here. I'm trying to find it. I think it's just up here, and then I make a left and it should be over here somewhere. So we'll see what happens. Oh yeah, here it says border belt. Oh, that looks sketchy. I don't really want to ride down that. What is this side? We'll go explore this. Looks like something up here. Yeah, I see a Chinese flag. Oh, look at this. Wow. All these cameras. Wow. Look at the Chinese flag. Alright, check this out. This is the border of Vietnam and China. So there's the Vietnamese flags. And here's the Border Patrol station. And then over there you can see, I can't zoom in, but there's a similar flag, but it has more stars. So that's China. You too. Just amazing. It can't even describe how it looks and feels out here. So remote. It's almost like there's more dogs than people. It's so magical out here, so amazing. No other place in the world looks like this. It's hard to ride because you're always distracted by these. It's like these mountains, they're almost like teeth that come out of the ground just from nowhere. It's just so amazing. crazy. Plenty of space and she chooses to get that close. I love just walking these streets. I'm going to this new bar over here. It has a balcony. And this is one of the positives of Asia compared to Latin America. You can't do this, especially with a camera, at 6 p.m. Yeah, 6 p.m. in some random city. I wouldn't last probably 10 minutes.